the important thing that the job seeker should understand, that don't lose hope. It's time that you actually upgrade your skills.
Now is the time to work on yourself. Given the situation because of the pandemic, you have time to actually work on skills and gain knowledge which you didn't have time to do earlier.
Career Jack Academy was on my mind for many years now, since the time so I am basically from the hospitality background. I started my career in 2012 with Oberoi Hotels, and later on I worked with many brands. My last 5 years I've been associated with training and development. When I used to hold interviews for candidates, and I used to understand that it's just one little thing that make them go off the radar. It could be maybe that their CV is not right, maybe it's a little bit of a problem in their communication skills, or also the fact that they are really nervous. So when I saw those students, I really understood that there's a market for something like this, especially in a small town like Jammu. And that's where the idea of Career Jack came, so that we can help those students actually groom themselves, become confident, learn how to make their CV in a better manner. And that's where Career Jack started and came into being.
I'm from an HR background for my master's. And after moving back to Jammu, I was talking to students because I'm also into career counseling. And I realized that a lot of students are very hesitant when it comes to going for interviews and also deciding what comes in a CV, like how to compile things like that. So that's when we both discussed what we feel and we decided to start Career Jack.
Is extremely essential. So I asked this question to my students, in fact, that if you were the CEO or the MD of a company and you were to take an interview, and the interviewee who is standing in front of you is in a night suit or in a pajama, or for that matter even in jeans, or maybe wearing a boy wearing a stud, would you like to accept that person in your company? I don't think that is appropriate, and that's the reason why candidate grooming is extremely essential, because you want to make a good first impression. Every interviewer actually decides in the first 30 to 40 seconds whether they want to accept that candidate in the company or not. And your grooming is essentially the reason why.
From the moment a person walks into the room, the interviewer already starts to make a perception of that candidate. And a small thing like your shirt is not buttoned up, or you have a stain on your shirt, or your hair is not made. Small minor things like that which you might not think about, but they do add a lot of weightage to how you're going to be, if you're going to be selected or not. Every skill has its own value to the company, but personally we feel that certain technical skills which are going to be present in all the candidates who are interviewing for that particular position will make a difference. But we feel that you need to show your brand value as a person when you go in for an interview. You should make sure that you highlight certain skills which are unique to you and which are not going to be present in the candidate who's coming after you. So you need to show how you are representing your individuality in an interview, and those skills are going to add a lot of weightage.
To stand out is extremely essential. And also in today's world, the most essential skill which any company has a requirement for is communication skills. So to be able to speak well is extremely important. To be able to speak with confidence is very important. A lot of people ask me, is spoken English that important? Spoken English is a big criteria in today's market. Definitely most companies would want that their employees should talk well in English. However, whatever language you are confident in, you must speak in that and confidently in that language. That's what is, I think, one of the most essential skills that a candidate requires these days.
Career Jack is open to students who are going for college interviews, visa interviews, to potential employees who are going for interviews for their prospective jobs. And also it's open to hospitality and professional sectors who are looking to train their staff for grooming and spoken English skills. So it's more of like, it has a broad horizon.
It doesn't really have a age limit, Career Jack, because we have catered to students who are 18 and catered to students who are 62. So anybody who wants to basically groom their professional skills is open to come to Career Jack, and also any professional company who wants to professionally groom their employees are also open to come to Career Jack. Career Jack caters to everything starting from interview preparation, spoken English, IELTS, CV making, and also other than that, your overall body language and grooming and personality development. And our mantra at Career Jack is not only that we speak and the students listen. Our mantra is exactly that we make the students practice. It's a lot about implementation. So if I am making you do CV writing today, I'm going to ensure that you write a CV on your own and see how it's done. So that even if we end up making your CV later on, you are, sufficient enough to edit that CV on your own at least. Or for example, if today I'm telling you that you have to write a job application or any sort of email, I'm going to make you write it in 3 or 4 different formats, and I'm going to make the student do it so that it actually ensures that they are well practiced. So that is the reason why you or anybody should come to Career Jack, because it's not like a usual day class where you just come and listen. You are actually implementing and practicing a lot.
Career Jack gives you a very holistic training experience, which is very interactive and fun, and it's not going to be like a boring classroom day. And from that, we ensure that students are actually grasping on what we're teaching and knowing how to implement what's been taught in the training.
Hold on, it's a tough time, we understand that. And there is going to be a time when everything is going to come back to normal and we are going to be able to get back to where we were exactly where maybe a year back. So that's the important thing that the job seeker should understand, that don't lose hope. It's time that you actually upgrade your skills. Companies like Career Jack are here for the reason that you come to us, you upgrade your skills, and there is space for you in the market or in the world out there so that you can get a job in whichever brand or company you seek.
I would say that now is the time to work on yourself. Given the situation because of the pandemic, you have time to actually work on skills and gain knowledge which you didn't have time to do earlier. So we would say just develop on those skills and utilize the time to be your better self. We understand that it can be a little intimidating for women out there because of the men counterpart in the industry, in whichever profession it may be. So we would say that don't feel scared, and you have that power. So just use that and go out there and just
kill it. So yes, I would say this to all the ladies out there. Women are actually natural at nurturing. They don't have to learn that skill from somebody, where men have to learn that skill from somebody. So use that skill to your advantage and just don't let the fact that you are a woman
undermine you.
Undermine you. So I think gender equality is something which is really, really booming all over the world right now. Feminism is the new in thing. So I would suggest to every woman, every lady out there who is planning to open their own company, that don't feel intimidated by another man or another person telling you that this might not be your path, because actually you decide your path much better than anybody else does.